Hi, I'm Lori with No Shoes Just Travel. Today I will tell you how to navigate your way through the Cancun Airport after you have your luggage to the transportation area and how to avoid missing your transportation to the resort. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe below. As one of Mexico's busiest airports, Cancun International is well equipped to handle the influx of visitors seeking the white sand beaches and the vibrant culture of the region it's renowned for. But for the first-time traveler, it can feel like chaos. First, make sure to book a resort package that includes transportation, or if it's not part of your package, book your transportation ahead of time with a reputable company. I've included a list of companies I recommend in the description. Upon disembarking, you'll find yourself in a modern and bustling airport terminal, more like Grand Central Station. Clearing immigrations and custom is typically a straightforward process with staff ensuring a smooth transition. Make sure you have all the necessary documents, including your passport, readily available. I carry this passport holder and check it multiple times during our trip. Once in our more than 24 trips to the Cancun Airport, multiple planes came in and it took hours for us to get our luggage. But that's an exception, not the norm. After clearing customs and rolling along with your luggage, almost to your transportation, you will encounter friendly airport staff and representatives from various transportation services, eager to assist you in making the final leg of your journey to the paradise that awaits. No. You need to walk quickly past these people and rental car booths because they will delay you and could possibly cause you to miss your transportation. Once you see the sliding glass doors opening to the outside, walk quickly down the middle, head down, don't make eye contact, and don't engage with them. Yay, you made it through the airport. Now the fun begins. There are people everywhere going in every direction. Transportation is lined up with buses, vans, and car services. Look for a representative with a sign or a shirt from your transportation company. They will tell you the direction to go in this tangled mess. If you're traveling with Apple Vacations, then Amstar will be your company you're looking for transportation to your resort. Once you spot an Amstar representative, you will most likely need to see another representative who will guide you down your path, and possibly yet another representative who will know exactly which transportation you're getting into. If you have arranged transportation to your all-inclusive resort that is not Amstar, keep an eye out for the representative holding a sign with your name or the resort's logo on it. Many resorts offer convenient shuttle services, making the journey to your destination seamless and stress-free. For those who haven't pre-arranged transportation, several options are available at the airport. A designated taxi stand will provide you with a fixed rate based on your destination. Confirming the fare before starting your journey is advisable to avoid misunderstandings. But please arrange your transportation ahead of time. This is your vacation. You don't want to stress or be delayed at this point. Once you board your transportation to the resort, you can rest assured knowing that in an hour or so, depending on the location of your resort, you will be checking in. Then the relaxation begins. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for resorts in which to stay in Riviera Maya, please go to my channel, No Shoes Just Travel, and watch more videos. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe below so that you will be alerted when new videos are added. See you next time.